In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to find and view archived emails in the Gmail mobile app. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This is a handy feature, especially if you've accidentally archived an email or if you did it intentionally and want to retrieve it later. Let's dive in. I'll demonstrate by archiving a few emails so you can see how to access them again. I've selected a couple of emails here and tapped on the archive button at the top of the screen. As you can see, they've now been archived. Now, to view them again, tap the menu icon at the top left, the three lines. From there, scroll down and choose the All Mail option. Once you're in All Mail, you'll notice that emails from the inbox still have the inbox label, while archived ones do not. These emails without the label are the archived ones. You can now access them again. If you'd like to move an email back to your inbox, simply press and hold on the email, tap the three dots in the top right, and select Move to Inbox. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, please like the video and subscribe for more tips. I look forward to helping you again soon.